Alright guys, it's on the road and he's gonna do a little flex test here in this ditch. Dude, check that out. Dude, that's awesome. Alright, today we're going to fix the front bumper mounts. I cut it off. They're pretty cheesy from the factory. As you can see, they're really thin. I'm going to weld a piece of 3/8 on there, make it bolt in. I'm going to fix my bumper so it doesn't hold mud anymore. And I got to change AC condenser and put a new fender on this side because I found a stick and it bent it. So we're going to fix that.
So what we doing now?
This is my brake caliper. I converted this sucker to disc brakes, and just as I suspected, shock's in the freaking way. It's gonna have to get cut and moved over. Alright, that sucks. I'm trying to decide if my brakes are gonna clear my rims. I'm not 100% convinced that they are. It's close, but I can make it work. This is the part that I really care about right now. I can make everything. Let's not. Yeah, that's it. Crapper. I was afraid of that. My rotors are too big. I need smaller rotors. I'm building some brakes. That is my brake bracket that hooks onto my caliper. I cut it out of cardboard and I'm gonna try to make it work. We're gonna plasma it out here. Overview of it, I'll take some more when I get it drilled. Alright, so I got the holes drilled and tapped. I think I'm gonna trim a little off. You can see the line right there. The trim, and I'm gonna see how it fits on the truck. Alright, I'm to this point. I just gotta weld it on the back of there. So it's turning out pretty fair like I thought it was gonna. Just gotta put a little air to it and center it and weld it. Working on the emergency brakes. I just got the brake calipers all put on. And now I'm trying to get the brake cable hooked up. I gotta figure out some way to make it adjustable here. This little lever's supposed to pull, but it doesn't. Do is drill a hole through this so the cable will slide through it, and then drill a bigger hole in the end so that the cable will dead end in it. Guess that should work. That can go inside of there, like that. Maybe that'll work. Well, the brakes have been kicking my ass on this thing. I can't get the back ones to bleed up right, and I thought it had air in it. But I figured out this week that it's hydraulics pulling it back and not air pressure. And I looked up a schematic of how this thing was built and figured it out. It's got a screw inside of it that actually adjusts, so I can adjust it out and I think take up all the slack, I hope. So basically I just have to twist this here little nut thing and it pushes the caliper in, supposedly. Oh yeah. I think I'm good.
The shock's in my way too, just so you know.
Now I just gotta finish this other side, put the cable on it, and it's done. Unless the brakes don't work, and then it's still not done. Well, it's really, really tight right here. So my plan is to cut the O2 sensor out and cut this off right behind it and then turn over right here and come back. So I'm thinking if I just bend like a 22 or a 45 or something and weld it on right here to come over and then back. And then weld my O2 sensor in right here somewhere. Then I'll come back like right here over.
What you're on in 2?
Yeah. And then Y into a 3-inch, 3-inch to the muffler, then 3-inch straight out the back. Still hot. In case anyone was wondering.
Sure heated it up, it's good to go, right? Woo! We'll lift the table.
Got it. Came loose.
It makes it so easy.
Yeah. That's why we're down here. The right tool for the job is invaluable.
Too much.
Nah, it's gonna be
No,
enough.
once
The back
you're up
end's
in
gotta
there.
come way up.
Yeah.
So
So what do you need this to be?
right here, we're gonna bend.
Or you're gonna bend the curve in it.
Yep. Hey, I didn't tell you to do that. I say.
Look good and all by itself.
We're gonna go with that.
That was what, about 87?
I think I want to go steeper than that.
Yeah, just side exit like that. 3-foot side exit exhaust.
Looks like I need to keep this one just a hair more so it can come over. What do you think? We can always go more. It's hard to go back.
Hard to go back.
It looks sweet.
Pretty good. Okay, let's cut that off.
And that's where the Y will
We'll
go.
cut it off right here.
And the other one will fall right next to it.
Should.
It looked really good.
Okay.
Well, that rounded out nicely.
We can weld that. Alright, let me go find a marker.
Here you go. I got a red Sharpie. Yay! We win today.
Yeah.
Usually we can't find them.
Pretty much burnt that 10-foot length of. Get that welded in now while we can take it in and out easy.
Yeah. And that end's extra warm right now. So don't just grab that.
Yeah, you might sizzle if you do.
Yeah.
It might be a little warm there.
That ought to work, hadn't it?
Yeah.
Looking pretty good.
See why that won't?
You won't be able to get this bolt out if you need to. You'll have to take this cross member off.
Well, if I'm taking that bolt out, it's because I'm taking that cross member out.
It's something else is going on, huh?
Oh yeah.
Chrome plated, fully illuminated, genuine accessory shift knob.
Yeah, it'll be super nice.
Hey, hold on me.
Let's
Oh, rusty.
got a wire brush.
That's gonna be the fun part, welding that top.
Can't get in there. Look like a hole.
Thing is sweet. What?
Not loving that.
This thing is looking slick.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
that's almost like we wanted it to be there.
It's like you meant to make it that way.
You can go right there's fine. It don't matter.
It can go either way.
Are you on the short side here? Well, I want to shorten that to right there. Let's do that. I think I want that. I think if I cut it so it moves the muffler forward just a bit. How's that look for level from the outside? Alright. Going back on for the last time. Okay. Perfect. How's the rest of it up there? Go check the rest.
I think we got clearance. You got some right here?
Yeah.
Okay, it should hold. Pretty close though, isn't it?
What's the plan today?
I'm building rock sliders for the truck. Keeps the bottom of this from getting bent in. And if you get stuck, you can put a handyman under it and jack it up.
Suspension test. Whoa.